The transmitter V5 is in mode 2 by default. Start by removing the battery tray cover, then pull out the battery. Unscrew the 4 screws on the rear shell with a 2.5mm hex screwdriver. Flip open the rear shell. Mind the antenna in the handle. Unscrew the centering spring lock from the current throttle gimbal. Insert the centering spring lock into the new throttle gimbal. Set the ratcheting, inner and tension outer screws to match your desired feel. Tighten clockwise the centering spring screw on the new throttle gimbal. The plastic block should be almost in the uppermost position, so the spring isn't over-tensioned. Loosen counterclockwise the centering spring screw on the other gimbal. Test the movement, ratcheting and tension of both gimbals. Put the rear shell back on and click it in. Screw in the 4 screws on the rear shell. Plug the battery back in and put it in the tray. Turn on the transmitter. Navigate to the radio settings menu with the up button. Open the radio setup menu and scroll down to the mode setting. Change the mode value to 1 or other target mode. Turn the transmitter off and back on to confirm the mode change. Check the channel operation values in the channels monitor. Congratulations, the mode is now changed. Don't forget to calibrate the gimbals before flight.